Hi, everyone. If you're watching this, it might mean you're looking for a change or maybe even feeling a little stuck. Perhaps you've thought about counseling, but worried about the cost. Or maybe life's been so busy that finding the time for appointment feels impossible. You might even have a nagging fear in the back of your mind. What if it doesn't work? What if I fail? I understand those feelings completely. I'm Melissa Kelly from Rising Hope Counseling, and many people hesitate because they think counseling is out of reach, either financially or time wise. And it's completely normal to worry about making progress. But here's the thing, your healing journey is just beginning, and I'm here to make it as accessible and supportive as possible. That's why I'm thrilled to introduce the Relationship Solutions membership. This is an online, ongoing support community designed to provide you with the help you need in a convenient and affordable way. No more worrying about fitting sessions into a packed schedule or breaking the bank. Here's what the membership offers and how it addresses those fears. First off, there's going to be live monthly workshops where I'll introduce new tools and techniques for healing and growth. Think of these as tune ups for your life, easy to access from home in the evenings without the pressure of traditional therapy. And remember, this isn't about failing on therapy, it's about learning new skills and having a safe place to practice and grow. They're also going to have these be recorded and available for you to watch on demand whenever it's convenient in your schedule, along with a growing library of videos on pertinent content and mini courses on topics like inner healing, trauma recovery, thriving relationships, and my personal pet favorite, nutritional psychology. Watch them anytime, anywhere at your own pace. No need to feel overwhelmed by scheduling or fear that you're not doing it right. Connect with other members and receive ongoing encouragement. You'll be surrounded by people on similar journeys, sharing experiences and celebrating successes. It's a place where vulnerability will be encouraged without judgment. So you'll know you are not alone in this. Our first workshop is going to be on Wednesday, April 16th at 6:30 p.m. It's going to be for an hour and a half. We'll feature the emotional freedom technique. This is a proven technique that can help you identify, accept, and move through stuck feelings, even in a group setting. You'll learn a new skill and practice individually while I guide the group through the process, paving the way for positive change. Best of all, you can work through your challenges without having to share every detail publicly. This means you can get support without fear of embarrassment. I'm inviting you to become a founding member of this community for less than the cost of a meal in a restaurant for your family, just $59 per month. You can continue your healing journey and receive that ongoing support. You are worth investing in. In addition, you will also help shape the community with your questions and feedback. You'll be part of building something special, and you get to influence its direction. If you're interested in joining, please reply to this email or text with your name and an "I'm interested in joining the community." The founding member price is only available for the next week, so don't delay. Take that first step. You won't regret it. I'm looking forward to connecting with you and supporting your continued growth. Remember, this isn't about perfection, it's about progress, and I'll be with you every step of the way.